Okay, here's an update for the status of my X-Top. This is the case. It's really big. I didn't realize it would be so big, but here's the components. Basically, in these little tabs, and they just kind of make it snap in place. Snap this side in place. And then hopefully I'll be able to find some kind of glue and some screws to get all this so it's very rigid. So there's the bottom part of the case. Here's the top. This goes on just like that. You can see. And then here's the little bezel for the LCD screen. So it'll fold down like that. And then this is a bracket. It's kind of like a spacer between it and the back of the LCD screen. And then lastly, here's the back. This piece still needs a little bit of work. But so there it is. It's actually 3.65 inches thick, which is just a little bit thicker than I was wanting, but oh well, it's bigger in the X and Y direction than anything because of the 20-inch screen. I didn't realize it'd be so big with the 20-inch screen, but there you have it. There's a laptop, and there's this. So as you can see, it's not really a laptop, thus it's been redubbed the X-Top.